All right, guys, so we are going to be putting on some bar ends onto these mountain bike handlebars. I've been riding this a lot on the road as well as the dirt, and felt like it's the time to get these things installed. So I have some cheap rubber grips that I bought on Amazon, and these were only like $4, I think. So basically, they originally were closed-ended, but I just took some scissors and I cut it. And so now I'm going to be shoving this guy on, and these are really simple. They just literally bolt on just like that. So, and you can tell by the name that this is supposed to be on the left side. And so that's what it looks like once you get this thing on. And so definitely a nice grip, better for my wrist than having all that ulnar deviation, and actually radius deviation. Anyway, basically, yeah, so I'm gonna get this in place like that. Gonna do it on the other side. I'll show you guys how we do it. And I'm also gonna be moving these shifters in just a little bit more inboard so that they're not as much in the way. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how we do this, and stay tuned.